Today for dinner we're going to make a keto bacon cheeseburger skillet supper. It's low carb. Here's the ingredients. I'll leave the recipe down below. So over here we have already cooked the bacon. And now I am cooking the onions in the bacon grease. So I have my bacon and my onions set aside over here, and I'm browning the hamburger. The recipe calls for 1 pound, but I have closer to 2 pounds in here. I had cooked it earlier this week and it all needs to get used up right away, so I'll just be putting all of that in there. So to this I added 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Just get this all heated through and mixed all the way in. Now to this I'm going to add half a cup of beef broth. And now I've added a package, it was a 1 pound package of frozen cauliflower. And I'm going to put the lid on this for about 8 minutes so the cauliflower can cook through. So now it's been 8 minutes, so I'm going to just let some of the liquid evaporate out of here. And I have a little puppy waiting for me to drop some food. Bilbo. Bilbo, you want a bite? Oh, there's the other one. Do you guys need a bite? Bilbo, you want some bacon? I accidentally stepped on the vent and broke it a few minutes ago, and so now I'm going to have to get a new one. Now I've added back in the onion and the bacon, so I'm going to stir that around for a little bit. So now I'm going to stir in half a cup of heavy cream. And after that gets stirred in, I'm going to remove it from the heat, add some cheese, and cover it until the cheese melts. And here we have the finished product. And here it is, ready for us to eat.
Be sure to subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to hit the notifications bell so that you'll get our latest video when it comes out.